guys? Today we're going to be talking about crimping versus traditional tying a knot. I've been crimping for a couple of years and I've never had one break, especially when you get into using a lot larger leader. When you get up into the 500 test range, you're not going to see any guys using, say, a 530 leader. They're not tying a bimini twist or snell knot. Everybody pretty much in the higher end commercial is going to be using these little crimps. I don't know if you can see that. So anyway, this is your crimp tool. It's got these little numbers up here on the head. It's super simple to use. It was like 30 bucks at the hardware store. You've got a box of crimps here. I individually label all mine. I'm not using anything too huge. I got 0.5 all the way up to like 2 millimeters. So anyway, this is going to take me about 60 seconds to show you guys exactly how to use this. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is you get your leader line. I've got about 5 feet. I'm using 80 test. You take your crimp here, right, and you slide it. Let me show you there. You slide it and leave yourself a little bit of tag end, right? So now the crimp is sitting on the leader line. You're going to take your hook or snap swivel or whatever you're trying to attach to this leader, and you're going to put it through the hook like that. Then you're going to put it back through the crimp, pull it down pretty close to the base, make sure that it sits nice and flat, right, so your line isn't twisted up inside the crimp. You're going to take your crimp tool, and super easy, you just match the size crimp with the number on the tool. This one is a 0.8 millimeter. So the size on the crimp is 0.5 to 1 millimeter, so I'm right in there. You stand it up. This is really important. A lot of guys crimp backwards, and that's a big problem. So you stand the crimp up in the crimp tool, and then basically just give it a nice tight squeeze. You don't have to get too crazy, just a good two-handed squeeze. And that's what you end up with. It looks like that. I don't know how well you guys can see the shape that it makes, but it kind of makes the two edges are slightly pinched widthwise, and there's a little barrel in between, and that's what you want. And that, I can put as much pressure as this line can take, and the line's going to break before that crimp connection does. And that's pretty much it.